I think there's every reason to start yourself a small container garden, because when we get days like this, it's nice and sunny and warm. It makes you want to have a nice little salad. And I recently went to the supermarket and I saw some little bags of salad they were selling. 89p for a few salad leaves in a packet. That are pretty much past the best anyway. 2 little gem lettuces for £1, and they were only small ones. That's all incentive that I need to carry on growing as many things as I can in small containers that we can just harvest whenever we want at no cost. So that's what I decided I'm going to do today. I'm going to go down to that container garden, we're going to pick some nice fresh salad, and then I'm going to put together a little chicken salad. And by the time we get to the end of this video, you'll have every reason to start your own container garden if you've not done so already. And if you want to see other videos that we've already done using produce, what we grow all year long, there's a link to his cooking channel in the description, so why not visit there and see if there's any recipes you might fancy putting together. And if you'd like to keep up to date with those recipes, just hit that subscribe button while you're over there. But for now, we'll take a little walk down there and we'll basically go and pick ourselves a meal. And this is our container garden area where we grow all the produce. And we've got quite a mixture of things. We've got strawberries growing in towers, raspberries, blueberries and gooseberries. We've also got containers growing potatoes. Lots and lots of onions. And carrots. We've got spring onions growing in containers, and garlic. And this container is growing sugar snap peas and spinach. Then we've got a container of mint. Little cabbages in 10-litre pots. Potatoes and parsnips. But over this side we've got lots and lots of mixed salads. Things like mustard, more onions, baby carrots, mixed French salad. They're silver skin pickling onions, and that's another container of baby spinach. And then we've got some Apache red lettuce leaf, pea shoots and beetroot. So basically everything that you need to pick yourself your own fresh, homegrown food. So we'll get ourselves a bit of spinach. We always take the biggest leaves because it's cut and come again. And we'll have a few pea shoots as well. And then we'll take a bit of mustard green. And we've got a mixture in here, a lettuce leaf and rocket. And that's a nice bit of French breakfast radish. And some baby leaf spinach too. And I've also got a spare little gem lettuce. So I'm just going to take all that. So I've got my couple of chicken breasts ready. And I'm just going to cut away that bit of excess fat. We don't want that. And then I'm just going to cut these into quite small pieces. And then we'll pop all that straight into a bowl. And then I'm going to add about a teaspoon or so of paprika, but make it to your own taste. And about the same of garlic. And a little black pepper. I'm just going to finish that off with a bit of chicken seasoning. That's all flavour we're going to need. Now we need to mix this up. Make sure everything's got a really nice coating. Then we'll cover that and we'll pop it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to marinate. So now we'll cook that chicken off. We just need a little oil in this pan. We'll get that marinated chicken straight in. And because we've cut it so small, it's going to cook really quick. So we'll just keep turning this to get a nice even cook. Then I'm going to pop in a little butter. That chicken's virtually done. So if you want to eat it straight away, just give it an extra couple of minutes. So by now you should be digging out any old pots and containers that you can find and thinking about sowing a few seeds to set up your own container garden, especially since everything is getting more and more expensive. So why not save yourself a few pounds and set one of those up? It's not hard work. The plants are easy to grow. And I think just the satisfaction alone, knowing that you've grown your own fresh produce, apart from saving some money, is all incentive you should need. See you next time. Take care.